Hi everyone, today I want us to draw a mat man together. This is what it's going to look like when it's finished. To help us figure out how to draw all his parts, I have my big line nearby, my little line, the big curve, the little curve, a hand, some chips to think about what parts we need to make. I also have some crayons and a piece of paper. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna listen to the Mat Man song and then we're gonna draw the part. Okay, have your paper ready, your crayon ready? And also, I'd like for you to see if you can fold your paper in half. And then the fold part is going to be at the bottom. If it's too tricky, have your adult nearby to help you out. We're going to use the top half of the paper to draw Mat Man's head first. Okay, let's get ready to listen. I'm going to make Mat Man's head. I'm going to think about big curve first. I'm going to make a big curve and keep on going. I need a circle. Can you make a circle? Okay, let's get ready for the next part. I'm going to think about my chip. I'm going to think about my chip for Mat Man's eye, and now I'm going to draw it. Let's get ready. I'm going to go round and round and make a circle. And I'm going to go round and round, and I need to make another circle because Mat Man has 2 eyes. You try. Okay, let's get ready for the next. I wonder what's next. What's going to go under Mat Man's eyes?
Mat Man has one nose, one nose, one nose. Mat Man has one nose so that he can smell.
I made a smart guess. Let's draw Mat Man's nose. Let's get ready. Get our crayons out. We're going to go round and round. We just have to do one time. We only have one nose. Okay, so far we have eyes, nose. What's going to go under? I'm thinking little curve.
Mat Man has one mouth, one mouth, one mouth. Mat Man has one mouth so that he can eat.
I think I was right. Let's make a little curve. I made a little curve for Mat Man's mouth. Let's find out the last parts of Mat Man's face.
Mat Man has 2 ears, 2 ears, 2 ears. Mat Man has 2 ears so that he can hear. Listen.
Little curve again. All right, let's do this 2 times. I'm going to get my crayon ready. Little curve. And I'm going to flip over my piece. And I need to make another little curve right here. Little curve. Ears. Mat Man's face is finished. Now we can move on. And now we can see all the parts that go under his head. And we can start thinking about what's next.
Listen. Mat Man has one body, one body, one body. Mat Man has one body to hold what is inside.
His heart, his tummy, his lungs.
I have Mat Man's body, which is his mat, ready to think about what we need to draw. I see 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's tall. This is a rectangle. We're going to draw a rectangle for Matman's body. Let's get ready. I'm going to use a strategy. I'm going to make 4 dots. Let's make them together. 1, and then another 1, 2, and then we're going to make another one under here, under 3. Find your other dot and now go under. We have 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start at the top and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? I'm sure it looks great. Okay, let's get ready for the next parts.
Matman has 2 arms, 2 arms, 2 arms. Matman has 2 arms so that he can reach.
Arms. Let's think. I think we need a big line. We have to think about big line for Matman's arms. And we need to make 2 of them. 1, 2. 2 big lines. You try.
Matman has 2 hands, 2 hands, 2 hands. Matman has 2 hands so that he can clap.
I have Matman's hand here. This looks too tricky to draw. I'm going to use a strategy. Okay, let's think about Matman has a hand and 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do this part. I'm just going to make a circle. And then I'm going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 1 hand. Let's do it again. Ready? Make a circle. And then we need to count to right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're almost there. Let's get ready for the next part.
Matman has 2 legs, 2 legs, 2 legs. Matman has 2 legs so that he can stand.
Okay, I think we need to make some more big lines. Get my crayon ready. I'm going to do big line, big line. I made 2 big lines for Matman's legs. We're almost finished.
Matman has 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. Matman has 2 feet so that he can walk.
Okay, so now let's think about it. I know my foot is smaller than my leg, and I used a big line to draw Matman's leg, and now I'm going to make a little line to draw Matman's foot. Ready? Little line, little line. We did it! Matman is finished. How'd you do? I'm thinking it'd be great too, after you could add some details. We could add some curly hair to Matman, or long hair, or straight spiky hair. And you can also draw, I'm thinking, sunshine. That's always fun to draw. And grass under his feet. That's good too. I hope you had fun. Keep practicing drawing Matman, and we'll see you later. Take care. Bye.